everyone. Thanks for watching. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Chevy 2 Rat Packer. I believe this is a 62 or 3 Chevy 2. I'll know more on the inside. I don't remember. It's been so many years since I've purchased this one. This one here was made in Mexico by the AMT Ertl company. Let's see, kit number 30105. It is part of the Street Freaks edition. There's a side shot. I got the camera set down on the table here today, folks. This one here comes with a rat motor, 427 Chevy V8 with ram tube Hillborn fuel injection, tube headers, side exhaust dumps, competition type instrument panel, a racing shifter, custom bucket seats, and a tubular front axle. It says here's a little write up on the Street Freaks. You can go ahead and pause it to read that one. There's the bottom of the box. Go ahead and open this one up. Oh, alrighty. Well, this one here has the, well, it even says hardtop Chevy 2. That's cool. Right on the glass there. That's nice. That must be the front and the rear windshield, rear window. Set that off to the side. Here's the body. Oh, it feels weird. It's got some, I don't know what you call that, like little ripples on the inside. It doesn't affect on the outside, doesn't show, but the inside is kind of not smooth. I don't know if I can get a good angle on there. If you can see the way the light glares off it, you see kind of the ripples. I don't know, just the way the mold was made, I guess. Let's see, a little bit of flashing, no big deal. Feels really nice. A little bit of mold release still on there. It's amazing. You know, this kit came out, I'm sure, many years ago. There's a cool shot of the rear end. That's really nice. Very reminiscent of, what was it, the Ford Caliente, the Comet. Kind of looks like that. Reminds me of that one. There's Nova with the altered wheelbase, it looks like. Very cool. And it says Nova SS right there. I don't know if you can focus on that. And then there's no bag on the parts are kind of molded in gray. They're not in a bag, but I may have actually removed that years ago. I'm not sure. What the heck? Wow, the tires are they're plastic tires with halves. Let's see, here's the other halves, the inners. Huh. Alright, I guess I'll be digging into the old parts bin to dig out some decent tires, because I'm not impressed with these. But it is what it is. Yeah, I'll show you. Let me see if I can take this away. I will move some things here. You can see my little parts bin right there. Let me move this. Whoops. I'll go digging through one of these piles here for some decent tires. I don't know if the light's picking that up or not. And then I even have a separate bin just full of parts for wheels. I'll dig through there and find some decent ones to put with this kit. I'm not real happy with the plastic ones. I'm sure they're fine, but I like real rubber on my vinyl, whatever they are. I like that on mine. I've got a few parts laid out here. I'm working on the auto car, whatever it is, the big old dump truck that I had in a previous unboxing video. I'm working on that one right now. But I thought I'd do this video and get this out for you. So, back to this particular kit, the Rat Packer. Here's the chassis. And it almost looks like a tubular frame. I think it is. That's cool. More of a custom design here. Nothing to write home about. It's made real nice. The details are minimal. We'll set that over there. Here's the interior tub. with a big old chunk of something there. That might just be some sprue tree they decided to leave on for us to discard. Absolutely nothing on the interior except a mark where the driver's seat will go. A little bit of a transmission tunnel there. And that's it. Here's the tires I just showed you. And this looks like, what do you call a roll bar system for the car. There's the seat and a tiny little steering wheel. Little custom job steering wheel there. That's pretty neat. And we have rear end parts. Not sure what kind of rear end that is. It may even be a Ford 9-inch. I'm not sure. Some of these things, I imagine those are for suspension to keep it lifted up in the air, like airbags maybe. Another piece of one of the wheels. Some exhaust tubing. And this is the final tree for molded in grayish parts. It's gray, real light gray. There's the engine, halves, the heads, parachute. Whoops. There's the dashboard. Very basic, very simple. Part of the intake, I believe that is, for the those tube head injectors that they called them. Some ladder bars, radiator core support, and another seat. That's interesting. It only gives you a spot for one seat, but you get two seats. Alright. Well, here's the hood. It fell off. I didn't see that one. There's the hood. Nice detail on the back, or the bottom, whatever you want to call it. Alright. And here's the chrome tree. Not open. Let me grab scissors, open that up. Here's the front end, classic looking front end, rear bumper, very nice wheels. Those are really nice. Here's part of those injector tubes, part of the fuel tank. Oh, it's the whole thing right there. Is basically the front full side and then one little half side to go on. Here's the intake manifold. The front tubular front suspension. There's that racing shifter that they talked about. Very, very basic. Some valve covers. Supposed to be a 427 big block, but they look a little bit on the small side. There's the oil pan, big old oil pan, chrome, obviously. I think these are the springs for the front axle. And miscellaneous, I think those might even be the taillights in chrome. I don't think it shows a rear view. No, it doesn't show it on the box at all. Doesn't have a date on there. I wonder if the instructions will have the date on it. Oh, here's the rear taillights. They are in chrome. So these. Oh, okay. These are. I thought these were just little caps, but they're actually part of that injection system again. My mistake. There's 4, 5, 6 of them. Maybe more. That's just part of the tree. Okay. That's it for parts. That really surprises me. And here is... Okay, there's decals too. Kind of cartoonish flames. And then license plates are Michigan MTR 194 or 530 UQW. Alright. Real basic on those. Still decent looking though. And here, very simple instruction sheet. It is literally 4 pages. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. You start out putting the engine together. There's absolutely no write-up on the car itself. And again, there's no year on this. That's very interesting. We'll have to look up on ScaleMates or something to find out what year this particular kit came out. I'll do the research and find it out. I'll put a little bubble up in the video when the time comes to tell you what year it came out. And we're putting the body together with the complete windshield. Window unit clear. Okay. Here they talk about how to put them two-piece tires together. Blah, blah, blah. Drive shaft, traction bars. All that good stuff. Oh, sorry about that. Drag chute. Rear bumper, which appears to be huge on here. It doesn't look that big in real life. Radiator wall, they call that. We all call it a core support, which is what his intentions were. Oh, hey, here we go, right here, guys. My bad. 1998 on the instruction sheet. It's a reproduction of the original AMT instruction sheet. So I'll go back, like I said, on Scalemates and find out when this kit first was released as a whatever year this Nova is. It's an early 60s Nova. Anywhere from 62 to 65 was this body style. And 66 and 67 were its own separate body style. Then in 68 they dropped the Chevy 2 name plate, and it became the Nova from 68 on up. There we go. And that's it for that one, folks. Hope you have yourselves a great day. I thank you for your time. I appreciate all your comments and tips and things that you share with me. I really enjoy that. I want to say thank you again, and have yourselves a wonderful day. Model Car Guy Rich out. I'll see you on the next one. Keep on modeling.